It's been a while since I posted a video. Here is working on a little farm here. As you can see, work is coming along good. I got this at Menards. This tank there. Hooked up this Tide Factory. I think it's pretty cool. I think I'm gonna build a city right somewhere down in here. Some Menards lumberyard there. Ice cream shop, service station, church. So I believe this is where I'll build the city. It's pretty cool. Got the train right here waiting. That Tide is pretty cool. Factory at the sign. As you come around, I got 2 oil rigs going. So I think that's gonna be pretty cool on the layout. I finished this week. Got a fleet of scrapers taking down a hillside. On the other side looks pretty good too. Let me get around here, but locomotive shop, Tide Factories. Sorry if I'm going pretty quick. Then I'll run some trains later on. There's that mountain scene. I added some more resin to bring up the water effect. As you come around, you remember before I didn't have a hill right here. I think this came out pretty good. Have some trains coming through here. The hillside. Another angle. Angle of the scrapers working. The oil. I probably built some tanks, storage tanks for the oil facility, and build up the city. I think I might put a power plant somewhere right in here. Other than that, it's looking pretty good. Thanks for tuning in.